You hear that? Nothing but the birds. That's what living at Marmong Point is like every day. A world away from everything, with nothing out of reach. The lifestyle here is amongst the best lakeside suburbs on offer, and we've got a solid home from which you can enjoy it from. Welcome to 7 High Street, Marmong Point. The single level design will appeal to owners of all ages. There are 2 separate air-conditioned living areas, secure internal access from the garage, and an ensuite to the main bedroom. As the days get colder, you will appreciate the warmth of the morning sun to get you going from the northeast facing back deck. A fully fenced 627 square metre block is safe for the little ones, while the older kids bike ride the quiet family-friendly streets, explore the bushland or go fishing. If you love being on the water, not only do you have the city's premier Marina at the end of the block, but there is both rowing and sailing clubs within 5 minutes. Or, if you prefer to just take time out, you can also walk to the City Art Gallery for a tour, or just coffee and a cake with a beautiful view. Less than 200 homes make up the old Marmong Point neighbourhood, and they are very tightly held. So book your inspection and come to experience it for yourself. I'm Brad Thornton from the agency, and I'll see you here.